Today I am drinking my chai latte in my reusable cup, a nod to the green energy sector and renewable manufacturing. It is glass with like a nice rubber gasket on it so my hand doesn't get too hot. It's very nice. Nice and renewable.
There you go.
Hi, I'm Rachel, senior economist with Emsi Burning Glass. Grab yourself a drink and let's chat about two industries that have been in the news a lot, construction and manufacturing. It's not surprising that demand for these workers is at an all-time high given our current labor shortages. And it might not be a surprise that fewer construction and manufacturing employers are requiring college degrees. We partnered with Autodesk to really understand the dynamics of these industries. Dive into the data with me for a sec. Almost half of all current construction postings do not include an education requirement. The same is true for the manufacturing industry. Only 38% of manufacturing jobs require a college degree. It's good, it's a little on the chilly side now. The shift away from bachelor's degrees does not mean a demand for less sophisticated skills. Quite the opposite, actually. Data and management skills play an increasing role in these fields, suggesting the complexity of challenges facing construction and manufacturing. So if you're an employer in the construction and manufacturing industry and you don't list an education requirement on your job posting, but you know the complexity of jobs within your industry is increasing, how do you ensure that your company is set up for success with all the right people you need? The answer is skills. Skills, it's all about skills. Building your talent strategy on the skills you need instead of following the same job titles you've always used ensures that you'll have the people to tackle the problems of tomorrow instead of the problems from 2005 or whenever you last wrote the job description. In our research with Autodesk, we found that for construction and manufacturing roles in 2020, the top requested non-software skill was related to management. It appears in 34.9% of construction postings and 17% of manufacturing postings.
My wife would enjoy that cup.
It's very cute. In the coming years, we expect the disruptive skills within these industries to be centered on business oversight and management. Renewable energy related roles will also be in high demand for manufacturing, which emphasizes the need for adaptation to new methods and new technology. Workers with these skills will be in high demand and able to command higher pay. If employers are going to meet this demand, they're going to have to establish a talent strategy that ensures that they will have the workers that they need. What's your talent strategy? Do you have one? Do you need help? Luckily, we've got your back and would love to help you understand the skills and compensation trends within your industry. So reach out to start a project with us or read more about the changes occurring in the construction and manufacturing industries in our latest report with Autodesk. Signing off from Emsi Burning Glass, cheers. It's a nice chai now. It's fine, in my reusable mug.